Exercise number 6.2, question number 4. A statue 1.6 meter tall standing on the top of a pedestal from a point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 40 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. Then tan 40 degree is given as 0.8391 and root 3 value is given. See, here it is a pedestal. Let me take it as it is a pedestal. Above the pedestal, the statue is standing. Imagine this is the statue. The statue's height is given as 1.6 meter. From the point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is, angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree. This one is 60 degree. From the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal, this is the top of the pedestal. At the same point, the angle of elevation is 40 degree. This is 40 degree. Now we want to find out what is the height of this pedestal. Let me take it as this is A, B, C, D. Now let me take it as the given tan theta is equal to 0.8391. Now you have to explain this. Let AB be the statue and BC be the height of pedestal. D be the position of the elevation, right? And then the angle of CDA, the biggest triangle, right, is 60 degree. The angle of CDB 40 degree. Now see, for both the triangle, CD is common, right? CD is common. So let me take it as this is first triangle. In triangle BCD. So this is the triangle of BCD. This is 40 degree, and this is CD. This is H, unknown value H, right? For this triangle BCD, we have opposite divided by adjacent side, right? Tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent is the ratio. Now tan theta's angle is 40 degree, that is tan 40 degree is equal to the opposite side is H, the adjacent side is CD. Now tan 40 is given as 0.8391 is equal to H divided by CD. Now I take the CD to this side. CD is equal to H divided by 0.8391. Here CD is equal to H divided by 0.8391. Let me take it as equation number 1. Next, in triangle, see, now we are going to take the triangle ACD. The triangle ACD. AC means the total AC is 1.6 plus H, right? I draw here another triangle. The triangle ACD, this is angle is the biggest triangle. ACD is 60 degree, and this is 1.6 plus H, the sum of the two. 1.6 plus H is equal to AC. Now in triangle ACD, here also opposite side and adjacent side, right? So tan theta ratio is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Here theta is given as 60 degree, so tan 60 is equal to opposite side is 1.6 plus H divided by CD. Now tan 60 value is root 3 is equal to 1.6 plus H divided by CD. I take the CD to this side. CD is equal to 6H divided by root 3. At equation number 2. See, in equation number 1 and 2, we have CD, right? So we can equal the two equation number 1 and 2. So both the equation we have CD. So let me take it as the first and second equation, that is H divided by 0.83 is equal to 1.6 H divided by root 3. Now the root 3 value is 1. 1.632. I take this root 3 to this side, that is h root 3 is equal to 0.8391. I take this term to this side, it is 1.6 plus h. H root 3 is equal to, when we multiply this term 1.6 into 0.8391, we get the value as 1.34 plus 0.8391 h. So the h term I take to one of the side. Here we already have h. Root value is 1.732 minus, this is plus symbol, right? If I take another segment, you get minus 8391. H is equal to 1.34. Here h is the common term. I take commonly outside. We get 1.732 minus 0.8391 is equal to 1.34. Now we have to subtract these two terms. That is 1.732. Another term is 0.8391. Here borrowing 10 minus 1 is 9. Here also on borrowing, that is 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. Borrowing here we get 6. Here 1. 12 minus 3 is 9. 16. 16 plus 16 minus 8 is 8. So 0.8929. So h of 0.8929 is equal to 1.34. Now we want to find only the h value. The h is equal to 1.34 divided by 0.89. I take this term to this side. Now I take here two decimal places, that is h is equal to 1.34 divided by 0.89. The third decimal is only 2, so leave it. So now I changing the places, h is equal to two decimal places, 134 divided by 89. I changes two decimal places, that is multiplying by 100 divided by 100 like this. So we get 134 divided by 89. Then h is equal to 134 is divided by 89 means 1 time is 89. So when we subtract this we get 45, and then it is not able to possible to divide, so put point and add 0. In 450 it is 5 times it possible. 5 9s are 45, 5 remainder 4, 5 8s are 40 plus 4 is 44. So 1.5 meter, the height of the pedestal is 1.5 meter. Thank you, students.